Introducing Woody, the first compact and sleek mechanical Bluetooth keyboard with a wooden base and unique keycap design. Woody's ergonomic keycap design brings you a new typing experience and makes your workspace more enjoyable. Not only it's smaller and more compact than standard keyboards, but the spherical keycaps with OEM profile can provide a good touch feeling and avoid accidental hits. It simply makes typing more efficient and convenient. Woody is not just another keyboard that you throw away after some years. It's a sustainable product, a piece of art with ergonomic keycap design and the perfect combination of wood and aluminum alloy, giving you a very special feeling when you type. You can feel it, you can hear it, and you can even smell it. The wooden base is made from premium walnut or cherry wood, natural components, contemporary, nostalgic, and modern at the same time. Designed and manufactured with the highest quality standards. It's also programmable and hot swappable. You can easily switch between up to 3 devices, or configure your favorite keys and allocate the RGB lighting. Or you can customize switches according to your preference. Through Bluetooth, you can easily connect to your iPad or other tablets. And due to its compact design, you can bring the keyboard easily anywhere. Hard workers deserve great keyboards to spark ideas and keep their working style healthy. So let's boost your productivity and optimize your workspace with Woody.